Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips for playing Style Showdown and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have joined Style Showdown event and Dress to Impress, and the first tips I'm going to show you is joining game with just 6 players because it will be easier for you to win with less player. But don't worry, if you can't join 6 players, you can still win, and just follow my tips here. Okay, if you can change your walking speed, I recommend you to increase it so you will be faster in dressing up. And then choose the color which is suitable for any theme. I'm just going to choose this one, and for the makeup as well, I'm going to choose makeup which will be suitable for every theme in the Style Showdown. And for the hairstyle, I'm just going to choose the hairstyle according to the theme because usually the hairstyle is, the hair is will be removed in the next round, so we can change it in the next round. But for the makeup guys, I think it will be easier for us to use the same makeup so it doesn't waste our time. Okay, and then you can dress up according to the theme, and the theme is GRWM. It means that we don't need to finish our outfit, and I'm trying my best to to dress up. Okay, and I'm just going to pick this item. Even though you don't need to finish your outfit, I think you still need to dress up as creative as you can to impress the other players, so they will vote you. Okay guys, and that's all the tips from me to play Style Showdown and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.